Hi, my name is Larry and you are watching Learn It with Larry Season 4. So now we've decided to create a mini-series for you talking about ATEM Mini Extreme because I've been receiving a lot of messages and comments from my followers. Yes, I'm talking about the 3 of them. And I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, hey, this is another unboxing video, but no. We're dealing with black magic, so magic. So inside the box you will have your sticker, the Feature Resolve card.
No unboxing, man.
Seriously. Yeah, but you'll get them all. So as our producer pointed out, no unboxing video this time, just focus on the ATEM Mini Extreme. So as you can see, there's a lot of things going on in here. You know, the back ports, the front panel right there, there's a lot of buttons. And if we compare that to an ATEM Mini Pro, which just magically appeared on my lap right here. So this is an ATEM Mini Pro, and that's just for size comparison. This shows that this is a lot bigger than an ATEM Mini Pro, but still a lot more compact than your traditional switchers out there. So that also tells us once again that size doesn't really matter. So fret not, we will discuss all of that and mostly the differences between the ATEM Mini Extreme and the earlier ATEM Minis. I'm talking about the ATEM Mini, the ATEM Mini Pro, and the ATEM Mini Pro ISO. So join me in our next few episodes as we discuss all of that, and I hope those episodes or those videos will help you decide on whether or not ATEM Mini Extreme is the right switcher for you. So until then, again, this is Larry. Ciao!